The 2025 F-150 Lobo is here, and it is out for blood on the pavement. After 2 decades in hibernation, Ford's bringing back the factory street truck, and this time, they put their faith in the hands of real street truck enthusiasts to build it. Welcome back, everyone. My name is Matt McAdam, your host of Chasing Dust, only on Driving Line. Can you guys believe I've been doing this show for over 7 years? Big shout out to those OGs who have been here since day one, but if you're just joining us, welcome. On this show, we discuss all sorts of topics and news from all over the truck and off-road scene, sometimes with my own opinionated, borderline biased view on things, I might add. On today's episode, we're diving into Ford's all-new F-150 Lobo street truck. If you love fast trucks that stick to the pavement and leave tire marks instead of dust trails, you'll want to know all about this thing. So Ford just unleashed a brand new V8-powered street truck from the factory, and we're here to break it all down. This truck is built strictly for the pavement crowd and the custom truck guys. It starts with an F-150 STX Super Crew, and then it gets the custom treatment. V8, lowered suspension, bigger wheels, mean factory look, and they even made it easier to modify, as you'll find out later in this video. And of course, Lobo is Spanish for wolf, and that's what they've been calling the F-150 in Mexico for years. Personally, I'm absolutely gutted that it's not called the Lightning, and here's why. Let's rewind for a second. To understand the Lobo, you have to know Ford's street truck roots, and it began way back in 1993 with the birth of the original F-150 SVT Lightning. Ford's brand new special vehicles team put together a regular cab short bed F-150 with a 240 horsepower 5.8 liter V8. And before you comment on how weak that sounds, just know that it was a 20% bump in power from the standard 351 Windsor in the OBS F-150. The Lightning was a factory muscle truck before factory muscle trucks were even really a thing. They added stiffer springs, sway bars, an aero kit. It looked really fast. It actually was fast, and it could corner. They only made about 12,000 of these trucks from 1993 to 1995, and it became an instant collectible. They still fetch top dollar on the market. Then, later on, came the monster. From 1999 to 2004, Ford brought us the second-gen SVT Lightning. This time with a supercharged 5.4-liter Triton V8, now with 380 horsepower and gobs of tunability for more power. 0 to 60 in around 5 seconds, which was just crazy for the time. The truck guys couldn't believe it, and honestly, neither could the Mustang guys. It was raw, loud, had a scary supercharger whine, and it was completely unapologetic. Ford built over 28,000 of these and set the benchmark for street trucks at that time. Safe to say that Ford was all in on the sport truck movement. But by 2005, the street truck scene had began to fizzle out. Gas prices went up, priorities shifted, Ford pulled the Lightning, the Silverado SS was gone, the Ram SRT10 was also gone. It was pretty much over. Now fast forward to 2014, Ford kind of dipped their toes back in with the Tremor. It was a standard cab EcoBoost V6 with a short bed, and it was sporty, sure, but not quite with the soul of a Lightning. But still, it showed that Ford was watching. Then in 2021, the Lightning name returned, this time on an electric truck. Powerful? Yes. Cool? Not my cup of tea. It was clear that the real street truck fans wanted something louder, lower, and meaner. And now, finally, Ford is delivering. So what exactly is the new Lobo? We're talking a full-size truck powered with a V8 with four-wheel drive for launching, and it's built for the guys who drop their trucks. The package upgrade is $46.95 on top of the V8 F-150 STX. That gets you a rear suspension drop of 2 inches, a 10-piece body kit, a wide gloss black grille, white signature LED lighting, a cowl hood from the Tremor, blacked out hood vents, blacked out exhaust tips, a badge deleted tailgate because they know you're going to do it anyway, some 22-inch gloss black wheels, 400 horsepower 5-liter V8. The interior is pretty clean, no frills. It's just mostly a stock STX trim. And now you can buy one of these this fall at your local Ford dealership for a total cost of about $59,995 with a warranty. But why now, Ford? Well, the short answer is because people were already building them. Many street truck guys were taking F-150s, modifying the hell out of them for the street and for the track. Once again, Ford was paying attention to all of this. They found that these lowered F-150s started showing up at their research clinics, online forums, car meets. The owners were doing axle flips, blacking out their trim, dropping in superchargers and turbos, and begging for a better factory option. So Ford gave them what they wanted with a factory blessing and a factory warranty. And I think the best part about this is that the the other big names in the truck place are completely asleep at the wheel on this segment of the market. But what I love most about this truck coming out is that it's further proof that Ford is actively listening to the enthusiast space, which is us. This wasn't cooked up in some boardroom meeting with profits and sales in mind. Actually, Josh Blundo, who's the lead designer for the Lobo, is literally a street truck guy. He drives a slammed single cab, he's building a 95 Ranger drift truck. Every design, the badge delete, blackout trim, it all came from real culture. They made the dual exhaust easy to remove and easy to replace with an aftermarket catback. And they even opened up the front lower grille for additional cooling, since they're pretty much betting that you're going to slap a Whipple supercharger on this thing. I mean, how cool is that? They know what to do because they've been there before and they took a lot of notes. And of course, they hire rad people to build their vehicles. And here's why I think the Lobo will actually do well in today's market. Number one, it looks way sicker than an STX out of the box. Number two, you don't void your factory warranty with suspension modifications. And number three, they engineered it to be easy to modify, which wins brownie points with the enthusiasts, and it comes with higher trim features like 4-wheel drive and LED taillights. It is a street truck that is just begging to be tinkered with. So I, for one, am stoked on a Ford V8 powered street truck coming back to the market. But what do you guys think? Would you buy one? Do you think real street truck guys would dig the new platform? Kind of a shame that they're not doing a single cab version of this, but I want to hear your thoughts on it. So drop a comment below, and while you're there, be sure to subscribe to Driving Line so you never miss an episode. But that's going to do it for us on today's show, you guys. Thank you so much for following along. As always, this show literally wouldn't be possible if nobody watched it. And once again, my name is Matt McAdam, your grateful host on Chasing Dust. And as always, I'll catch you guys on the next one. Hey guys, thanks for watching. This is Matt from Chasing Dust. Be sure to hit that subscribe button because Driving Line's creating all kinds of awesome content for gearheads just like you. I'll see you guys out there.